Got Taz and Sylvester out. Trying to get Aaliyah to go take a picture with them, and she's absolutely terrified. So I think we're gonna skip that for now. And the teacups, well, Katie's over there at the poorhouse getting a couple drinks, a couple 30th anniversary drinks. Are you excited to go spin? Are you excited to spin? Are you gonna spin? Spin, spin. Woo. Going so fast. Oh no. We just got the drinks. This is the 30th anniversary cocktail.
I think it was like Tito's, cranberry, raspberry,
yeah,
melon liqueur.
And this is a bourbon flight, possibly mixed with something.
Wild turkey, Rebecca Creek, and 2 other.
That's straight bourbon, I think, though.
So it's the same price as this.
Really?
Yeah, they were both $13.99 each.
$13.99 before. Looks cool though. There's some like tough glasses too. You could probably keep those if you wanted. Here, cheers. $13 for 4 shots at a theme park?
Yeah.
That's pretty amazing.
That's
Nice.
why I asked her, I was like, is it a flight with like 4 different drinks, or is it 1 drink? So you can have this one. It has a fancy straw.
She's upset she can't have any of the adult beverages. So just took a shot of this, and it's not mixed with anything. It's actually just straight whiskey. So you get this, it's $13 for a whole flight of whiskey. That one was pretty good. I don't know what that was. That one wasn't bad. Go to the fish, say, hey you. Say, hey you, fish. Spring break is over. It's actually not too busy at all. These lines are not that bad. Maybe you might be waiting about 20 minutes max for a lot of these. So right here, I noticed that Gotham Garage, there's an eatery right here. I have no idea when this opened or when it opened or if it's new or what, but I don't know how I missed that. All these parking meters over here in Rockville says, save the bats. I guess if you put some quarters in, all donations benefit bat colonies. Bracket Bat Caves, San Antonio, and the Congress Avenue Bridge in Austin. I'm wanting to ride a roller coaster, but it seems like the lines are way too long on all the rides. At least for me, because we have to leave here in like less than 30 minutes. The line's are only about 20 minutes, but yeah, you know, I don't got enough time. But I'm gonna ride the bumper cars. I'm gonna ride something, I'm determined. I got number 18 here. Finally ready to go. Katie and Aaliyah just over there. Hello.
Look, Daddy's reporting us, reporting him.
Here's the signage for the nighttime spectacular fireworks, which is every Saturday until May 30th. So as of yesterday, they completed the entire ride circuit, the entire track, the Cliffhanger.
You can see workers up there at the top. Main drop. It's kind of blocked there a bit. There we go. They got the 30th anniversary festival spring 2022 sign up here. They've officially completed the entirety of the track. The entire ride circuit is finished as I speak right now, or as of yesterday. See, they've gutted some of the front of the venue there and digging into the ride. There's the Cliffhanger in its completed form. Look at the way the sun just hits the light like that, or hits the camera. It's looking absolutely amazing. They're putting the finishing touches on the track, and everything is ready to open for this summer. But I'm here for just a quick pop-by to be here for the opening of the festival and to try out some of the drinks that they had here. I will be back next weekend, come back to check the mini museums, the then and now signs, and to see the fireworks, 30th anniversary fireworks. Next Saturday, so exactly a week from now. You want to come back with me here next week? Yeah. Yes, I've been looking forward to the fireworks, so I can't wait. Oh, bye-bye. She says bye-bye, Six Flags. Oh, we got a birthday party to go to. Subscribe, give me a like, all that fun stuff. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you guys so much for watching.